Hello everyone. Thanks for joining my channel, Tony's Home Cooking 101. Tonight we're going to have some chicken kebab, the Persian style. I'm going to go ahead and marinate it with some spices. Let's start it. Mix it nice and good. Okay, looking good. Very nice. Alright, I try to get some chicken breast pieces that they're almost the same size, identical, so they cook the same way and also looks better too in the skewer when you're doing it. So you just hold it against the cutting board, push it down, your fingers, let it go between your finger and the cutting board. There you go. This looks good there. We cut a couple of pieces that it's sticking out or a little bigger, the tail sometimes I call it. Sorry I'm blocking your camera angle, but I have to do that to save my fingers. Sometimes some of them might come out. It's so thin. Maybe this one here, we put it back in again. Looking good. Let's cut the tails off a little bit. So that it won't hang too much. We got the mesquite charcoal right here now, and I put some charcoal fluid already to soak it in, and I'm going to do some more a little bit, and we're going to get this fire going. Yeah, we're going to go ahead and fan it a little bit by hand. Just make sure you don't have your nice clothes on. See these sparks? Mesquite has a tendency to spark a lot. Look at the spark. It's like a 4th of July. Alright, we're going to start with some veggie. Always tomatoes and jalapenos. Sometimes I have onion too. You want to get this thing going and put it aside after it's done a little bit. It takes the longest. Chicken up. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Okay. So we know our cold spot is right here, so we're going to switch it later on. Sangak. This is a sangak. It's a Persian bread. It's very common, and it's delicious, and goes with any kind of shish kebab very well. Oh, it's beautiful. All right, it's all done. Look at how beautiful that looks. Wow. All right, folks, we got the dinner ready. Let's see. Okay. Look at that. We got the kebab there. We got the veggie there. We got some green salad. That's salad shirazi. And we got some basil and parsley and things like that. We got some cauliflower cooked there. And we got some Persian rice with some saffron poured on it. And this is a specialty for my daughter. That's another presentation on a skewer. We're ready to eat. Thanks for watching. See you next time.